Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Disha and this is the channel of happiness in homemade. Well, today's recipe is going to about something making snacks. So let's start making it Sabudana tikki, which is very healthy and you can also eat when you are having a fast. So let's start making it. Finally, the product is ready to eat and must try this recipe at your home, and it looks very delicious and the crunchiness in it, it's very tasty. So must try this recipe at your home and do not forget to subscribe my channel and of course like and comment. Thank you.